The big thing more than anything else is just to always focus on what does the customer need. The day we sort of stop doing that, then things start to fall apart. So what's the value for the user? And everything else will follow based on that, number one. Number two is certainly inside and being almost paranoid about that and how you stay in front of the competition. How do I innovate more for the customer? What's the customer experience going to be like? And how does that actually improve what they're doing? Have a culture where it's easy to say, look, Google's big and all the rest of it, but to be okay with failing, but fail fast. Try things because it may be a better experience for the customer. We have this sense of blameless post-mortem. So fail fast, learn from it, and have the awareness and say, okay, well, we're not going to go with that one, but we'll take a few pieces we've learned and we'll put this into the next one. And so that really is awesome as well, to really have that, because sometimes when you get into really big corporates, there's almost like a culture where you can't fail. And my own upward progression is based on succeeding. Well, we try and change that and have this sort of this culture of courage and actually to try things that are actually going to be a little bit different. The last one, it really is this sense of empowering individuals to make decisions and actually have impact. So we have this thing internally where individuals can take on what we term 20% projects, where they can take on either a project of passion or something. That's how Gmail was started. And someone had a 20% project where they had this idea, they wanted to bring something to life. And so enabling people to follow some of their passions, it's linked to, again, the very first priority, which is greater value for the user. But then how do you enable people to do that? Rather than saying you're in this box and this is all you can do and don't think outside of it, providing them a window to be able to do something else. I had actually one of my team members, they had such passion to go and join Google X, which is the area where they're doing all these new innovative projects.
Yes.
They got an opportunity to go and spend 12 months in there working on a research project, and very supportive. They've now moved across and they're actually doing some really fantastic work over there as well. So that were probably the three things: focus on the customer, enable this ability to fail fast, and empower individuals to be able to go out and to try and experiment on some things.